Alright guys, I went to Mart, picked up these two Zootopia blind boxes. I was shaking them, weighing them, trying to figure out what I'm gonna get. And these are the ones you could get. And this was the lightest one in the store. And I'm guessing like really the lightest box in the store, so I'm guessing it's either one of the secret or it's gonna be like this little guy or this little guy. So let's see what we get. And I guessed correctly. Yep, I knew it. It was so light. I'm like, it has to be this guy. All right, that's one out of the way. Now this was the heaviest one, so it's either going to be the tiger or it could be the bull. I am praying it's this guy. So let's see what we get. This was the heaviest out of all the boxes. So let's see. Oh, wow. It's actually this one. And I am very effing happy because I really, really wanted this one. Oh my god, I love this character. It was so funny in the cartoon. Well, there we go, guys. I guess that's a clue. If it's very heavy, there's a chance it could be this one or one of these three, because they look like the bulkiest of all the characters. Zootopia at Mart. Thanks for watching.